ইন্দ্রজিৎ চক্রবর্তীর বই উদ্বোধন করলেন রাজ্যপাল ইন্দ্রসেনা রেড্ডি নাল্লু। আগরতলা প্রেস ক্লাবে এক অনুষ্ঠানের মাধ্যমে উদ্বোধন করা হয় সোলার অফ ত্রিপুরা নামে বইটি। ত্রিপুরার মাটি এবং উর্বরতা পরীক্ষা, ফসল, চাষবাস ও গবেষণার জন্য তৈরি করা হয়েছে এই বই, যার আনুষ্ঠানিক উদ্বোধন হয় আজ। ব্যুরো রিপোর্ট, ত্রিপুরা নিউজ 8।
English, though scientific words I could not follow, but in general I could read the book. The charitable quality belonging to the Matabari temple dynasty for a few generations and traditional genealogy, not only the love for agriculture but also the desire to bring all his experiences in the form of a book made me come to this release program, Soil of Tripura. This book is translated into a Bengali as Tripura Mati Arbakara Pariksha Dosal Chasbas e Gabisana. Though the first book was brought in English, it was also brought in Bangla so that the common agriculturist could understand it. The inclusion of colorful pages and figures in Bengali translation book is also more commendable. Today happens to be the International Ozone Day, and fortunately today we are here to discuss about the soil and its advantages. In the Bengali version of the book, he has included so many photographs of insects and pests and diseases of plants and vegetables and crops and the nutrient deficiency of various crops. It will help the cultivators to ascertain the correct insects, pests, diseases, and particularly nutrient deficiency in crops, and to take necessary precautions by using pesticides, fungicides, weedicides, etc. I congratulate this author for that, and I am very happy that this book has been